Hello everybody, welcome to another video. This is Will Stroll speaking to you, coming from Upendo Ventures. This is just a quick video to tell you about some updates with UpendoDNN Generator. We're at version 1.9.2, so if you happen to have been paying attention, that's 3 releases in less than a week. So yeah, 190, 191, 192. And so real quick, we fixed a ton of bugs, but a lot of them were some first-time experience issues with our Angular module template, the Vue.js template, and the 2 different React templates that we have as well. So those are kind of important things to know. We also corrected a dependency issue in the Hotcakes Commerce templates. Something else we did was increase the default build support for DNN from when we updated it from 9.4 to 9.8. We're going to continue to lag a little bit behind on that, so you can see our blog for why. And then the Hotcakes Commerce dependency has been updated to 3.6. And we also have fixed a tiny bug, a usability bug with the authentication provider. It had the suggestion of the word DNN and people actually used it and weren't able to create providers, so we changed the example to like my company, for example. But the thing I really am excited to demo for you right now, I'm going to do for you. Okay, so let's just get started. All right, I'm in an Amazon workspace, so in the workspaces, there's quirks that you sometimes have to work around, so I'm using the terminal from within Visual Studio Code, long story short. So I'm going to change the directory to a demo folder I have ready for us, so we can see it right here. Copy that. All right, we're going to change into there. So change directory, go in there. And again, nothing in there, nothing up my sleeves, right? I'm going to call UpendoDNN to get the generator started. Oops, unless I call a really weird command that doesn't exist. Hold on a second. Yeah. UpendoDNN. There we go. Alrighty, so we got the generator up. I'm going to go ahead and create a solution structure and just keep all the defaults here. There we go. All right, so from here, I'm going to call it one more time, but I'm first going to just show that we have now a bunch of files in here, right? So let's go ahead and next call it one more time. We're just going to add an extension in there just to demo this one feature. Oh, well, while we do that, let's go ahead and open up the solution though. So I'm going to jump in here. Alright, so I just opened that Visual Studio 2022 project, and you should also know that we added support for Visual Studio 2022. I know we're behind on that, but look at the blog for the embarrassing comment of why that is the case. But we have our project in here, or excuse me, our solution. So let's go ahead and run the generator again. We're just going to create a web forms module. Again, keep the defaults. Okay, there we go. You might already have peeked ahead and already know what the update is. I don't know if you read all that. All right, there we go. Just a couple minutes, right? We are literally 4 minutes into the video. And then we come back to Visual Studio and look at this. It says, hey, wait a minute, something's changed about your solution. Do you want to reload? Absolutely, let's do that. Loading project 0 of 1. And there we go. So before you'd have to go and find that, right? It was a handful of clicks, but it was a little bit annoying. And so now we've finally got that update in there for you. So I'm very excited to share that with everybody. And I'm going to just build it real quick to show you that it's building. And when we come to our website folder, just you can see that it's starting to update with our stuff. So it's all working. And then if we move to release mode, and rebuild again. And come over here, we'll get an install folder in a second. There we go. And we already have a working module we can go install places. So that's the updates I wanted to show you. So thank you again for watching one of our videos. Really appreciate it. And let us know if you have any other features. And also, if you're able to, if you're getting value out of all this information that we're publishing for you and all these free extensions you're able to use, please consider sponsoring us. We would really appreciate it. You can find a link to that in all of our projects, but you can also find it below the video. So thank you and have a great day.